Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a delicious creamy pesto chicken and broccoli pasta. It is one of those delicious weeknight meal that you can make happen in less than 30 minutes. To begin, I have a pound of chicken tenderloin here. I'm going to remove the vein right here. It's pretty easy. Grab you a fork and make sure you get yourself a napkin. Just place it right in between the fork, in between the vein, just like this, and you just pull it down. And that's pretty much how you do it. Super easy, super quick. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. Mix it all together just like this, and then you're going to season it. I'm using onion and garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of pepper, red pepper to make it spicy, a tad bit, salt, ground black pepper. I'll leave it below in the description box for you guys. And I'm using, mix it up together. And I'm using paprika as well. And the rest of the seasoning, I'll leave it to season the sauce. But for now, we are all done. All right, now we're going to boil the pasta. I have my chicken sitting and, marinating a little bit. So I'm going to pour it in. And also I have to season it. I'm using a little bit of salt and chicken bouillon. I love adding chicken bouillon to my pasta. It just gives it a beautiful, delicious flavor. So I'm just gonna give it a stir just like this. And I'm going to cover it, allow it to cook for about 8 minutes. While my pasta's boiling, I'm going to cook my chicken. I have my pan here on medium-high heat, okay? And now we're going to place the chicken right in. You can just add them in. It smells so good already. I like to add Italian seasoning when I make pasta to my chicken. It just takes the flavor to a whole different level. If you've never done that before, definitely give it a try. Now it's time for me to flip it over. When I tell you it smells amazing here, it smells amazing. Ooh, do you all see that? Beautiful. Just flip it over. Now it is time to remove them and set them aside. When I tell you it smells and tastes amazing, yes, I had to taste it, y'all. Look how good this looks. Amazing. In the same skillet, I'm going in with some butter, unsalted, okay? About 2 tablespoons. I'm going to let that melt. I'm just gonna add the onion. I chopped my onion finely, so it's better when you chop it nice and fine, not too chunky. Also, I'm going in with some garlic. Add that in. That is perfect. Give that a nice stir. Allow the onion to be nice and translucent. This is a, smells so good. This is a quick recipe. When I tell you you can make this happen in less than 30 minutes, you can. Now we're going in with heavy whipping cream, about 2 cups. Now we're going in with the pesto. I'm using about 3 teaspoons, okay? Give it a mix. Also, I have my seasoning here, which is the remaining of the seasoning that I used earlier. I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. Perfect. Now is the perfect time to add your broccoli. I'm using about 1.5 cups of the broccoli. Perfect. Now we're going in with the pasta. Just add it in, give it a mix. Nice, nice, nice. It's nice and creamy. It's gonna be cheesy soon. We'll add some Parmesan cheese in a minute. Oh, it smells so good. So good. Now, don't forget your chicken. Going in with the chicken. Look at that. Look at that. Delicious. Add your chicken in. Amazing. Perfect. Ready? No, not you. Ready? Now is the perfect time to add some freshly grated Parmesan, okay? Add as much as your heart desire because it's up to you at this point. I'm going to add a good amount now. Good amount of that cheese. We love it cheesy. Let's give it a stir. Smells amazing, smells delicious. And I know it's gonna be just as tasty. Nice and creamy. And I love the way my broccoli is not overcooked. It's like perfectly cooked. So we can get all the nutrients from the broccoli. And there you go. Let's add some fresh parsley to top it off. And that's it, y'all. This is your delicious pesto chicken and broccoli pasta. You know this is my favorite part, the taste test. Let's try it, y'all. It's so good. I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. Absolutely delicious. This is literally my dinner, y'all. I'm about to sit down and enjoy this meal, okay? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Leave me a comment down below. Are you going to try this out? Or if you ever try pesto chicken pasta. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.